new to Cambodia? This video is for you. Today we are going to study together about daily word for use to telling directions. Are you ready? Let's start. 1. ទៅត្រង់ Go straight. ឧទាហរណ៍សូមទៅត្រង់ ទី 2 បត់ស្ដាំ Turn right. ឧទាហរណ៍សូមបត់ស្ដាំ ទី 3 បត់ឆ្វេង Left. ឧទាហរណ៍សូមបត់ឆ្វេង ទី 4 ឈប់ទីនេះ Stop here. ឧទាហរណ៍អូសូមឈប់ទីនេះ ទី 5 បកក្រោយ Turn around. ឧទាហរណ៍អូសូមបកក្រោយ Did you get it? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to use these directions when you go outside. Thank you. See you in the next video. Click, like, follow សម្រាប់វីដេអូនៅសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយ អរគុណច្រើនជម្រាបលា
Bye bye